right here, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys I have another wig review. So if you are interested to see what I'm currently wearing, then make sure you keep on watching. Alright loves, so of course this is another wig review. This unit was sent to me by the company SAMSBEAUTY.com. Thank you so much SAMSBEAUTY for sending me this wig to review for my channel. Let's hop into what this wig actually is. I currently have on the wig. It's a lace front natural Brazilian Remy wig, and the style is LH-Peruvian. The color I'm currently wearing is P430. Here's what the stock part looks like, just in case you want to see. So this is your typical unit. You have your two combs in the front and you have your comb in the back. You have adjustable straps as well. This unit comes in many different colors, most of which can be found on the SAMSBEAUTY site, and this features 100% Brazilian human hair blend. It also has a deep L part. It has a lot of parting space, as you can see, and yeah, this unit I would say is probably a good like 24, maybe 26 inches long, maybe even 30. I'm not even sure. But if you guys are looking to pick this unit up on the SAMSBEAUTY site, it is currently retailing for $35.99. So to get this look, I feel like that is a extremely affordable price. Now, let me talk about what I think of this unit. I'm actually really feeling this one for some reason. I'm not a huge fan of long curly wigs because I feel like they start to look a little fake. And I'm kind of getting a little bit of that kind of a vibe from this one as well. But once you play with the curls a little bit more, you kind of start to lose that look. And the coloring is really pretty. It's very natural. It's a dark 4, so you can definitely tell that it's brown, but you also have some pretty 30 highlights throughout it. And the highlights don't look like extremely fake. They look really natural. Like I mentioned, this unit is kind of on the longer side. This is where it falls to. It hits me on my waist, so it's definitely a little bit longer than most curly units. I haven't received much shedding from this. Actually, I haven't received no shedding from this unit at all. I have received a little bit of tangling, but that's not to be unexpected because it's a curly wig, so you're going to get some tangling, but you're not going to be running your fingers through it. And when I say tangling, I'm just talking about like trying to do like this. I'm not talking about like extreme like tangling at the back of my neck or anything. This does have some baby hairs in the back, so maybe if you could get away with throwing it up in like a bun or a ponytail or something, this could be an option for you. The cap is extremely comfortable. I'm not feeling like it's too tight on my head at all. The lace on the front of the unit is a hard lace, so if you guys don't like hard lace units, this might not be for you. It's not bothering me right now, and I feel like most units, if there is hard lace, they do bother the front of my head. It's really comfortable. I can't even feel it on, so that might be a good sign. I feel like the cap construction maybe is what's kind of giving me that vibe because it's a lot more comfortable and it feels like it's big. It's not one of those small like stingy caps where you feel like you have to struggle to put it on. So now, would I recommend this unit? I would recommend it for the simple fact that the cap is really comfortable. I'm not getting any shedding at all and very little tangling for a long curly unit. I probably would say that I'm probably going to cut maybe a few inches off the ends just to make it look a little bit more natural, but once I do, I feel like it'll start to look even better than it does right now. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this one. It's very cute, it's very fun, and I think you guys will like it. So if you liked this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment on whether or not you like this unit, what you want to see next from me. And of course, do not forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and you click the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. And until the next one, I will see you guys later. Bye.